Hey guys, it's Lucas channel and I'll be doing a short unboxing video of my new Copic Ciao set E. And as you can tell, the set includes 36 markers or 36 colors. I got both Copic Ciao set 72A and set 72B a few years ago, and there were only 144 colors back then, and they released 36 more colors recently, which means there are now 180 colors in total in Ciao series. It sounds a lot, but if you see the Copic color chart here, there are 358 colors in total, and the only way to get them is to get all the Copic sketch markers. Copic sketch markers are almost basically the same kind as the Ciaos. They have brush tip on one side and a chisel tip on the other. They are just a tad bigger in size and oval in form. So the question is, do I really need this set? The answer is yes and no. I don't really care for some of these colors in the set, like these earth tones or gray tones, yellow tones. My other markers already cover these tones really well. What I wanted was these turquoise colors, or this kind of blue, or this interesting violet red. They kind of complete what was missing in my collection. If you would like to get a starter set, I wouldn't recommend you to get this set alone. You better get the 72 Ciao markers set A instead. And by the way, I will do my first live stream on my YouTube channel, where I will draw a Dragon Ball character live. So if you're interested in that, you are welcome to come and watch my live stream. I'll probably be answering your questions as well. I'll go live on Sunday, April the 1st at 3 PM Central European Summer Time, which is at 6 AM Pacific Time and 9 AM Eastern Time in the US, 10 AM in Sao Paulo, and 9 PM Chinese Standard Time. If there are any changes, I'll post an update on my Instagram page, so keep an eye out. So I hope to see you then, and as always, thank you for watching and have a good one.